Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's class we are going to start a new topic, that is tenses, and this is the last topic of your syllabus, and later we are going to start with the revision of final examination. Okay, so this topic you have already learned in first standard, like I taught you past tense and present tense, that's all, isn't it? Yeah, so in this video we are going to go little bit depth in the concept, and along with that we are going to cover future tense also. Okay children, so before starting the class we'll follow these steps. Sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and notebook with you and whatever you want for the video classes. Be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances, and yeah, now do 2 minutes of meditation. Okay, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes because this improves your focus. Okay children, so as I told you, today's topic is tenses. So tenses are nothing but, you know, there are 3 tenses. So there are totally 3 tenses, isn't it? And what are those? Present tense. Tell me. Present tense. Second, past tense, and third is future tense, isn't it? So this we have discussed in this we have discussed in first standard little bit. Okay, I'm going to revise you once again and we'll go little depth in this topic. Okay, so present tense, past tense, future tense, these are 3 types of tenses. So what are those? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, so what do you mean by present, past and future? Okay, so now I am doing class for you, isn't it? I am doing a video class for you on this chapter. So that's the present tense, isn't it? Presently. And you're watching the video, that's the present tense. You already watched a video. Last video was about capital letters and punctuations, isn't it? You already watched it, isn't it? So last video was about capital letters and punctuations. So that is a past tense. And now after this video, next coming video will be about revision. Okay, revision videos on annual examination, isn't it? So if I want to give you a simple example, so today I am going to play cricket. Okay, today is what? The present. Yesterday I played shuttlecock. Yesterday is past tense. Okay, yesterday or day before yesterday I played shuttlecock. Okay, tomorrow I am going to play basketball. Okay, tomorrow is nothing but future tense. We don't know tomorrow what will happen. Okay, today is a present tense, yesterday is a past tense. I hope you understood children. Like if I want to give you a simple example of this, for present tense, I am writing. See, I am writing. I was writing. Then for future tense, I will be writing. Okay. I am writing. I was writing. I will be writing. Okay, so here the tense is what basically you have to show us. I is common, writing is also common here. So what has been changed children? Am, was, will be. So you get a doubt that why I should use be here, because this is what I am going to tell you in this video. There are set of rules, okay, for conversion from present tense to past tense to future tense. Okay, for that conversion you have to learn. I hope you understood. Okay, I am writing, so this is a present tense. I was writing. Okay, I am is changed to was. Then future tense, will be. So will is used for future tense. Okay, then is a present tense. Was is a past tense. Okay, will is a future tense. Is, was, will. How to use that? See, she is pretty. Okay, she was pretty. She will be pretty. She'll get pretty, or Or okay, I'll give another example. She is coming to restaurant. She was not able to come to the restaurant. She will be coming to the restaurant. Okay, is, was, will be. Okay, or for another example I'll give you. She is playing. She was playing. She will be playing. See? Is, was, will be. Here I told you, no? So the tenses will change. Present tense to past tense to future tense. Okay children, so this is what the basic example and explanation for you. And okay, so there is one practice main, that is A. Circle the verbs in your textbook. Circle the verbs in the following, and you have to circle the verbs. Okay, and you have to tell which is it a past tense, present tense or future tense. That is there. I am going to solve you for that. And one more thing, very very important, I wanted to teach you in this is, tenses are nothing but it basically shows you about verb. Okay, as I told you, she is playing. Tell me children, playing is nothing but it's a verb, it's an action word, isn't it? Playing is an action word. Or I was writing. I was writing. Okay, so writing is an action verb. What it shows? It shows tenses describes. Okay, tenses are basically about, it's all about verb, it's all about an action. So here, so in your first main they are telling circle the verbs. So verbs only will show you the action. And one more thing to tell you, if you do remember, I taught you in verbs there are two types. One is main verb and another one is helping verb. Okay, I taught you in verb video. Okay, so main verb, helping verb. Main verb is nothing but playing. Helping verb is nothing but is, was, will, shall, could, can. All these are helping verbs. Okay, which helps the verb to complete the sentence. If I just write she playing, is it a sentence? No, I have to write she is playing, because this is the helping verb and this is the main verb. Okay, so that is what they have given you in this first main. You have to circle the verbs and you have to tell me which is the present tense, which is the past tense, which is the future tense. This is the first main. This is the introduction of tenses. So now we are going to start with present continuous tense and simple present tense. Okay? Okay children, so here we are going to see present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is nothing that difficult. I'll explain you. Just adding ing. Okay, we have already discussed it. ing form of verb, like play, playing, work, working, sit, sitting. For verbs, if I add ing, that will become continuous tense. Okay, just adding ing. Okay, so for example, don't disturb me. This is an example. Okay, don't disturb me, I am writing a letter. So here I am writing is a tense. Okay, continuous tense. Why it is continuous tense? See, one more, first thing, I am writing. Okay, I am writing is a verb. Okay, so this is the helping verb, this is the main verb. Okay, so writing. So here you know that write is a verb. For this, if I add ing, it will become writing. So writing is nothing but continuous tense. Continuous. For continuous tense are nothing but adding ing for the verb. Adding ing. You can see here. I'll tell you. Look, the birds are flying. So are main verb, flying is a helping verb, main verb, are is a helping verb, isn't it? So here fly is an action, okay? So here it's been continued with ing form. So that's nothing but flying. Next, she is doing her homework. She is doing her homework. So again here ing, doing. So this writing, flying, doing, all these are present continuous tense. Present tense, no? Writing, flying, doing, okay? All these are present tense. If it is a past tense, wrote. Write will become wrote. Fly will become flew. Doing will become done. Okay, that you will study further, okay? So present continuous tense, that is nothing but all the verbs like writing, flying, doing, raining, learning, standing, sitting. So in all these words what I told you, in this what is common, children? ing at the end. So that is why it is termed as continuous tense. One more thing you have to learn, it's a rules, that if the word starts with, if a sentence starts with I am is a singular, right? It's a single person. So I should write am, then ing form. Okay. If there are more, birds are more. Birds, no, it's not a bird. Bird is a singular. Say plural for bird is birds. So for birds I have to use are flying. I can't use am here. Birds am flying is wrong. I is person, singular, we, okay, isn't it? I am telling, no, I am flying, I am writing, okay? So I have to use am. I have to use are because it is plural for birds. Next, she is, for she, he, it. For she, he, it. Okay, for all this I have to use is. She is doing, he is doing, it is doing. Okay, children, did you get it? So for I have to use am. For birds, not only for birds, if it is plural, like we, they, we are flying, they are flying, because we, they and all, you already know these are words which is used for plural, more than one person. Okay, we are playing, we are flying, they are flying, birds are flying. Okay, and for she, he, it, I have to use is. She is doing, he is doing, it is doing. Okay, this is what the 3 rules, it is there in your textbook. Okay, you can refer. I is used, for I have to use am, then present tense plus ing form, I am playing. Okay, I'll show you this in the book. Okay, so based on this present continuous tense, you have exercises, you have fill in the blanks, you have to solve it. Okay, I'll solve it for you. Okay, we'll solve it together. After this topic, there is one more topic in present tense only, that is simple present tense. What? Simple present tense. So okay, children, so after continuous tense, I told you, continuous tense are nothing but just adding ing for your verbs. Okay, so simple present tense. So in this only 2 rules you have to remember. What it is, I am going to tell you. See the first sentence, all these are tenses. Okay, we get up at 6 o'clock. These are tenses and also verbs. We get up at 6 o'clock. I take my dog for walk. She never tells a lie. So these are all what you have to learn. What is the rules here is, for we, I, and for they, for all this you have to write the verb as it is. You should not change the tenses. Okay, the verb is not changed. But here why it is changed, I am telling you. She never tells a lie. Why I can't write tell? She never tell a lie. That is a wrong sentence. She never tell a lie is a wrong sentence. I have to write S. Why I should write S? Because he, she, it. For these, when the sentence start with he, she, it. Not only he, she, children. If the she is Swati, if it is name of a girl also, name of a boy also, you have to use the same rule. He, okay, she, he, it. For this I have to use s or es. Okay, for the verb I have to use yes or es. Are you getting? Like he comes, okay, he comes to school. He comes. So I am writing for come. I can write no, he come. He come is not a correct sentence. I have to write comes. So if the verb is come, I have to use s for he, she, it. But if it is we, you don't have to change the verb. Okay, we get. You don't have to write we gets. Okay, you can keep as it is. We get up at 6 o'clock in every day. I take my dog for walk. I takes will not come. Are you getting? For the words like they, we, it, I should write the verb as it is. Only for he, she, it, I have to use yes or es at the end of the word. I'll show you in the textbook also once. This is what the simple present tense. We will solve the fill in the blanks. Okay. Next. Children, so now we shall solve the exercises. Okay. Now we have understood the concept, isn't it? Now we will solve. Next, see the first main. Circle the verbs in the following sentences and also write in the space provided whether the sentences are in the past, present or future tense. As in the first sentence they have given as example. So first what they are telling, that you have to circle the verb and then you have to write whether the sentence is present tense, past tense or future tense. He went to Mumbai last week. So they have circled the verb went. So it is the past tense, obviously, no? So let us see now the next. They are listening to the radio. They are listening to the radio. So which is the tense here? So which is the verb here? Sorry, verb is are. So they are listening to the radio. So even this is also the verb. Listening is a verb, isn't it? So even this also comes under this. This is the helping verb. This is the main verb. So this sentence is a present tense because it is are listening. So they are listening now. So you have to write present. Next, the Rajdhani Express leaves at 4 o'clock. So the Rajdhani Express leaves at 4 o'clock. So leaves is a present tense. So they are telling now the train will leave at 4 o'clock. Present. Next, the police has caught the thief. Have caught. Okay. So this is the what is that? Caught. Have caught. The police have caught the thief. So that's a present tense. Present news, no? Like police have caught the thief. We are learning English now. So we are learning English now, no? So it's a present tense. Mayank came to. We are learning. Mayank came to school late. So came, obviously came is a past. They will leave for England next month. Will is a future tense. So as soon as you see will, was, shall, sorry, was no, will, shall, would, can, everything is a future tense. He does not sing well. Does not sing well. And this does not sing well. It's a, what is that? Present tense. Next, she thanked him for the invitation. So it is ed form, no? Thanked. So it's a past. Next, I have made a mistake. It's a present tense. So presently the person is telling, no, I have done a mistake. See, I have done a mistake. So it's presently they are telling, no. So it's a present tense. Next, children, we have seen present continuous tense, ing form. Okay. So now we are going to solve according to that. Children, so based on that concept, we are going to solve the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous forms of verb in the bracket. She dash a new dress today. So here there is a given option, no, where. So using this verb you have to frame a present continuous form. Okay, they have not given present continuous word, but they have given a verb. You have to change to present continuous form. So where will become, since it is she, so it's a singular, no, is I have to use. She is. So verb will become, since it is continuous, you have to add ing. So where will become wearing. She is wearing a new dress today. Are you getting, children? Hello, good morning, Nishant. Where dash you dash. So what is the verb given? Go. So where are you? Go will become going. ing. You have to just add ing. And suitable helping verb you have to use. That's all. Don't talk. You dash the whole class. Don't talk. You dash the whole class. Disturb. So whole class is nothing but plural, no? So many students are there. Disturb will become disturbing. But which is a helping verb you have to use? Are. You are disturbing. Are, why, children, not is? Is for singular. Are is for plural. Hurry, hurry. Up. I dash late. Get. Hurry it is. Hurry up. I dash late. Get. Get will become getting. So which is a helping verb I have to use? I am. For I have to use, see here, you can see here. For I, helping verb is am. For he, she, it, is I have to use. We, they, you, are I have to use. So if you get confused in fill in the blanks, if you did not understand, you can refer the table. Okay, helping verb plus main verb, ing you have to use for that main verb. Then it is easy to solve. I am getting. Hurry up, I am getting late. Few more. Shut up. You dash nonsense. You dash nonsense. For you I have to use are. You are talking. You are talking nonsense. Talk will become talking. Don't make a noise. The baby is sleeping. Is sleeping. Okay. Next. We dash Tamil these days. Learn. Learn will become learning. So which is a helping verb I have to use? We are. We are learning ing. Tamil these days. Still, if you are confused, children, please do refer the table. For we are you have to use. For you also are. They also are. He, she, it is. I am. So see here, we. You can see here. For we, we have used are. Based on the table only you have to follow. Again they. For they also have to use are only. They dash this bridge these days. Repair. So repair is a verb. So continuous means ing I have to use. Repairing. They are repairing. ing. Repairing this bridge these days. Nidhi, what are you doing, Megha? Megha is telling, I dash my homework. Do will become doing. Since I is there, I have to write I am doing my homework. Next, Varun, what are you doing at the moment? Sumit, I dash not dash anything. Doing. I am not doing anything. Did you get this, children? Okay. Next, simple present tense. We also discussed simple present tense. So see here, for he, she, it, I have to use s or es, the verb. And for I, we, you, they, the verb will not change. The tense will not change. Let us solve one fill in the blanks in this, because it's huge. Okay. So it's better to solve as it's like. So as I told you, children, it's like I am removing few mains because it's huge chapter, and since it is online classes, you will get confused. Okay, so as less as possible, as easy as possible, I am going to make you understand, because for me important is you should understand the concept. Okay, So this is easy because you have given two options, you have to select one. So this will be easy for you. So I am solving this. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the following sentence by choosing the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. He seldom dash an umbrella, but he dash one day. Options are given two blanks are there. So which answer you have to write? You should write. Okay. He seldom dash an umbrella, carries, isn't it? For he, she, I have to use es. The word should end with es. Carries. But he is carrying one today. Carrying. So here continuous form of present tense has come. My brother never dash tea, but he dash it today. Okay children, so you can see here. My brother never drinks tea, but he is drinking it today. So drinks will come in the first blank, is drinking is second blank. It seldom rains in winter, but it is raining now. Options are given. So which blank it will suit, you have to write. Okay. I always read the Times of India. I am reading will not come. Okay. Okay children, are you getting? So there are two options, that is read, I am reading. So in the first blank, I am reading will not come. So the second option is there, no, first option is there, no, that I always read the Times of India, but today I am reading Hindustan Times. Mr. Chatterjee sells newspaper, but today he is selling comics. Every year she teaches class 5th. This year she is teaching class 6th. Arpita usually does her homework in the afternoon, but today she is doing it now. My uncle generally goes, yes, because it is singular person, no, to office, but by bus, but today he is going by car. Every day he plays tennis, but today he is playing cricket. Okay. We generally have our dinner at 9, but today we are having. So we are plural, so I am using are. I taught you this. Okay. We are having it early. Okay. See here, this I am just giving you the answer. You can refer in home children, because too much if I do video classes is not possible. Okay. So this is easy only concept, just you have to see the verb and according to this rules you have to write. You have to change the verb according to that. Okay. You can pause the video and you can see. I am not giving you the homework. I am doing as we have planned, but still if you want the answer, I am just giving you it. Okay. You can refer if you want, you can refer. Okay children, see you in the next video.